lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Don't take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hi Earth Signs! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Yan. You're very much welcome kung gusto nyo pong sumali. Ayan. Earth Signs, kung meron po kayong mga katanungan dito sa ating readings, no, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. Pero, kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating description box. Meron pong link, no, dito po sa video na ito, sa description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung amount, how much per question, the name, the number, and the reference, for your reference, and the QR code, no? I also created a 4 questions plus 1, and if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box. Ayan. So, Earth Signs, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. Earth Signs. So, ang nakikita natin dito, parang sabi mo, tama na, no? It's enough, no? Enough is enough. Tama na yung paikot-ikutin mo ko, tama na yung mga pagsisinungaling mo, tama na itong mga panloloko, no? I feel like pinapaikot mo lang ako. I feel like palagi kitang pinagbibigyan, palagi kitang, kumbaga, hinahayaan ko lang, no? So, merong realization dito of, I'm already woke, no? Hindi na ako yung tao na pwede mong, yung dating mapagbigay, no? Ngayon, magiging madamot ako, pwedeng sa pera, sa atensyon, no? Kasi hindi ko na-experience yung same experience na dapat natatamasa ko, no? Or dapat, this is a relationship, no? This should be a two-way street, no? Bakit parang ang nangyayari, nagiging one-way lang, no? Parang one-sided ito. Ako lang yung nagbibigay, ako lang itong nagtatrabaho, whether it is trabaho literal or nagtatrabaho para maging maayos itong relasyon natin, no? Parang sinasabi mo dito, magdi-detox ako, no? For a few numbers of you to the, sabihin natin, doon pa lang din sa gusto ko pagpasok ng 2025, to malinis ang Facebook ko, no? I'm seeing a lot of reinventions. What is pagiging malinis? Mag-unfriend ako ng mga taong hindi na relevant or not working for me anymore. From what I am seeing in here, sabihin natin na maraming bagay, no? Parang siguro naisip mo rin dito sa sarili mo na feeling ko kailangan ko ng baguhin ang sarili ko. Kailangan ko na rin mag-elevate, no? Para meron akong bagong ma-experience sa aking buhay. With the Chariot and the Moon card, for a few numbers of you, siguro iniisip mo dito, either aalis ako, which means lalabas ng bansa. So, lalabas ng bansa or pupunta ng ibang lugar. One thing's for sure, one of the idea or solution that probably what you're thinking here is to have a physical separation. It's just a thought, no? Hindi naman siya ganon. Hindi pa siya fully decided, pero at least naisip na somewhere, kumbaga, uh, at the back of our mind, no? Napag-isip-isip na natin yung siguro nga kailangan kong lumayo panandalian. I think that this is the best, or probably I don't have a choice. Ito lang yung pwede kong gawin for now. The King of Pentacles and the Sun. So I want you to know, especially dito po sa mga taong, sabihin natin nasa malayong lugar, yung kanilang mga esposo, ayan, or esposa, no? Jowa, no? I feel like meron ditong surprise, or may not be a surprise, siguro alam nyo na rin, pero nakakita ko na may pag-uwi. It kind of make me feel na compass is really a dominant thing. It could be time, compass, basta meron siyang arrows, no? Siguro nga, no, nasa malayong lugar, truck driver, pison driver, seaman, a vehicle is being used with the Six of Cups. So parang na-miss ka na nito. I think siguro itong taong to, pwedeng sabihin nating nagsinungaling pa siya or gumawa pa siya ng story para lang ma-surprise ka, pero hindi talaga din uubra, no? Alam mong dadating at magkikita kayo. With the King of Cups and the Ten of Swords. So I feel like merong surpresa dito na parang gagawa pa siya ng kwento, no, na hindi pa ako pwedeng umuwi or na-extend ang aking contract, no? Para naman doon sa katulad ng sinabi ko kanina na this is my way, you know, my best way is to move far from the relationship or far from you. I feel like kaya nga nandito yung thought, no? Nandun pa sa thought process, wala pa yung full decision. I feel like bigla niyang maiisip, hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko pala kaya na malayo or malayo sa kanya. Either malayo or malayo, no? With the Six of Cups clarified by the Nine of Swords and the Eight of Cups. So, just by thinking of it, either iwan ko itong taong to or lumayo ako sa kanya. Ngayon pa lang, wala pa man ako dun sa sitwasyon na i-stress na ako. With the Ten of Swords, the Hangman, and the Tower. And I feel like, siguro may isip dito ng taong ito, kung sino man, no? Pwedeng ikaw ito, or yung person mo, yung binabasahan ko. It doesn't matter what I'm reading here is the dynamic. Ang nakikita ko dito, baka kasi pag umalis ako, wala na akong balikan pag uwi, no? So, with the Two of Cups, the Emperor, so parang mas pipiliin ko magstay or mas pipiliin kong piliin siya, no? Piliin si person. Just by the thought of it, bigla niyang may isip, mahal ko pala siya, no? Pwedeng bumaba yung enthusiasm ng person natin dahil sa nangyayari. Baka feeling niya na hindi ka na mahal. Pwedeng merong katotohanan yon, pero sa kanya, bigla niya may isip, ay, hindi ko pala kaya, no? Hindi ko pala kayang iwan siya. With the Five of Pentacles, clarified by the Hermit and the Queen of Cups. So, yung well-being mo, no? Sino mag-aalaga sa kanya? Sino yung magbabantay sa kanya? I feel like that's one of the question, no? Ang parang naglilinger, no, kay person. With the World card and the Judgment, sabihin natin ditong siguro may plano kong umalis or may plano kong iwan, no, pero hindi pa ito yung panahon na yon. So merong kabig, may bawi, merong sabihin nating hindi pa pala ako, no, emotionally ready. Ayan. Doon naman sa mga may pag-uwi, no, nakakita ko dito na sasalubungin nyo itong 2025, itong papasok na taon, nasama-sama naman kayong lahat, no? So, earth signs, tingnan natin dito ang zodiac sign, no, ng person mo. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So, what I am seeing here is Pisces, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is there, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, yep, dominant sila. Leo is also here. So this is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yun sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, earth signs, kung di kayo papatulugan, no, ng yes or no na sagot, pwede po kayong dumiretso doon sa ating description box. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nasa baba po yung amount per question, the name, the number for your reference, and the QR code, no? I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no, sa ating description box. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.